Hello guys, you are welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a Bitcoin investment website with OTP for withdrawal. Alright, so in this particular website, like I said before, it has many features. You can see the interface is top notch. You can see that now. You can see everything. So this is how it is, and every other pages on the website. Every other pages you can see on the website. Alright, now let me show you the user side. Once you register as a user, this is what you get. Okay, this is the user side. All right, so you can see where it says fund your account. I say fund your account here. I see where it says deposit. There are different deposit options. You can see script, transfer, and all of these things you can think of: Bitcoin and paper and paystack, all of them. All right, so you can see where it says withdraw fund. Right, so before you can withdraw fund, you need to put in to confirm the password. Do that again to confirm the password. Right, so once you do that, you can see the request withdrawal, any of the package you want to withdraw. And the moment you request withdrawal, okay, the moment you request withdrawal, you can see your account need to upgrade before you can make withdrawal. And as you can see, so this is just a way of it. So the admin on the other side, so if you come to the admin side now, this is how the admin interface is. All right, so if you come to manage user, these are all the different user on the site now. Right, so if you come to the manage user, for instance, I want to manage this. All right, so you can see that now. So you can see where it says action. You can see where it says edit. All right, you now have to put in the withdrawal code. That's what I told you before, that it has the OTP. So you have to generate the code before they can withdraw. All right, so that is how this particular Bitcoin investment website script work. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I will just take you through how you can design this from start to finish. So if today is your first time of coming, like I said before, please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because you always get quality update from my channel. All right, so without wasting much time, just diving straight. So first of all, you need to get access to a cPanel. So if you don't know how to purchase your domain, if you don't know how to buy your domain name or any of the web hosting to use, you can always reach out to me via my WhatsApp number. I will guide you on how to purchase your domain name and hosting. And also, if you stay to the end of this video, I'll also show you how you can get access to this particular script I'll be using on this video. All right, so without wasting time, just follow me while we do this together. So you don't need to rush, just take your time and do it one after the other. So once you get access to your domain, to your cPanel, this is what you get. So just go over to my file manager. All right, come to file manager. All right, so just come to public underscore HTML. I'll come to create a folder. I'll just say, how will I just say test BB, right? Or better still, I'll just say BTC. All right, so I'll click on new folder. So this is the folder here. All right, can you see the folder? I'll open it up. So what I'll do now, I'll upload the file. Come to select file, come to my desktop. Where do I have it to my desktop? All right, so let me go to my download. Okay, open my download. This is it here. Upload it. All right. So while this is uploading, I'll go and create my database. So I'll come back to my cPanel, come to create database, come to, all right, this is it here. Come to my SQL database wizard. I'll click on it, right, and I'll put in my, just say test BB, test DB, that's my database name. Next, then test, that's my user. Then I'll click on generate password. I'll do this, generate password over to this, and click on I've used password. All right, so I'll click on create user. Okay, so I'll click on create user. Right, so just ignore this. Then you copy this two information you have here. and put it where you have it there. So in my notepad, then I'll mark up privileges and I'll click on next step. All right, so that's the second step. So let me check if my file is still uploading. So I'll come back, come to my cPanel again, right? Then come to my phpMyAdmin. You can see it here, phpMyAdmin. All right. So once I come to phpMyAdmin, the database I created, the name is testdb. That's the name. So you can see it here, testdb. So I'll click on it. Right. So once I click on that, I'll come to import. Right. Click on import. Then click on choose file. Then I will upload the database. So this is it there. Then I'll come down here and click on import. Right. So that is how you import the database on the file. So the next thing is for make sure that we connect the file together. Right. So this has been imported successfully. So let me go to my, okay, this is still loading. Right. So just wait for it to load 100%. So good. Then I'll click on go back. Then right click on it and what? Extract. Click on extract files. Alright, so good. Click on close. Reload it here. Okay, you can see all the files have been extracted. So now to connect the database, just come to account. Alright, so come to account, then come to resources, come to view. Alright, so you come to layout. Alright, so like I said, to connect the database, you come to, let me go back again. Alright, so come to your public_HTML. Okay, once you come to open the folder, the BCC folder, then scroll down and open your account. Okay, so once you open the account, you will see this env file. Right, you will see this env file. Edit on it. So that's where you edit. You connect the database. Edit. Okay, once you click on edit, now this is the domain name that is there before. I will just change it to what I have. Okay, to what I have there. So I'll just put that one there. Okay, that's BTC. Okay, so that's that. Then this is my database connection. So just connect the database there. The first one is database. Sorry. Database, copy. Come to that. Paste it. The second one is the user. Right, so you put that too. Then the last one you have there, just put it. So the last information you have there, put it there. Okay, so once you do that, you click on, there's no nothing to change again, just come there and click on save. So that is how you connect the database. Okay, so now let's check. All right, so once we are done with that, the next thing is to go to our database and do the configuration. Okay, now come to settings. Okay, this is the name that is there, so you have to change it. Click on edit. So this name that is there, you can change it to, you can say 10s BTC invest. So whatever name you want to use, copy that, paste it there. All right, so once you are done with that, what else again? I'll also paste it here. Okay, so this is the link there. Copy this, then come over to this place, paste it. All right, so you create your email. All right, to create your email, come to your cPanel. Then you will see email account. Create your email. All right, so if you come over to this place, click on create. Then you put the email. If I want to use support, all right, I use support. Can you see that support at this.com? Then I'll just click on, or better still, I'll just copy this. I'll put it there. So I'll just click on create. So that's how you create your email. So once you create the email, this email becomes our official email. So come over to this place and paste it here. Can you see that now? then also paste it here. All right, then the name that is there, which name are we using? Which name are we using? Which name am I using? So let me just better still without wasting time. I don't want this, so I can just say then invest. I think I should just use this through then invest. So I'll click on go. All right, so the next thing others will get to do, then you come to the admin information. You can see admin. All right, this is the admin information. You can see the email and the information you have there. So to edit it, you can edit. This is the email. So this one you have here, you can fix in the, you can see the information here. So just put it there. Then make sure it is encrypt. Make sure it is encrypt. Can you see it here? Encrypt. All right. So once you do that, just scroll down and click on go. All right. So that is what you have there. Okay. So now let's see what we have done so far. Let's see what we have done. Let's see how far. Okay. So let me click on this. All right. So let me click on this. All right. Can you see its site now? The site is up and running. All right. It's up and running. Okay, to edit all this, you are all the content you have there, go to the file manager. Let me come to the file manager, then come to the folder. All right, to edit the content, these ones you have there, just come to this index.html, click on edit and click on edit. Right, can you see the name is already there? So you change the name and say 10 invest. Okay, so you can see that. Just make sure you edit all of that. This is the Tidio link, this Tidio link that is popping up here. Can you see that? Make sure you also edit it, create your Tidio and copy the code and changes. So now that I've done that, if I save changes and I come over to this place and refresh, all right, can you see that it has changed to 10 invest? Can you see that? Now look at this email that is here. To change this email, also come to your 10 invest, then just search for control find. Just search for support, or better still, if you don't want to click on it, search for that, press Ctrl F, search for support at, can you see the email there? Can you see so you change it to the one you want. All right, so now without wasting much time, since we have already done this, now let me log in to see if it will give me what I want. Let me just log in. All right, good. Can you see now that I have logged in to the account as the user? See, this is the name. All right, this is the user dashboard. All right, click on, I want to save now. So this is the user side now. Can you see it? This is the user side. Now let me log in to the admin. All right, to log into the admin, just copy the link is, this is the link, say admin login. All right, admin login / login. All right, so you can see that. Sorry. Okay, so this is, so login. This is, can you see it now? This is the admin. So once you come to the admin, you can come over to where you have settings. If you come to these settings, this you can see the different settings you have there. Now let's start with this app setting. If you click on this app setting, you can see the name, you can change the name. All right, then on this part here, this is where you change the logo. This logo that is showing, okay, so the logo that is showing up there, this is where you upload the logo. Why this is the favicon, upload this small icon you are seeing here. This is where you upload the favicon. Okay, that is that. Then you come to preference, so you can see where it says the currency. You can change the currency to any currency you want. So all right, then you can see the withdrawal. you can see translation, you can see KYC, you can see email notification. If you want your client to be receiving emails, you can enable, you can disable. Can you see that here? If you wanted to verify you by uploading their documents, you can also do that here via this. You can turn it on. Can you see it? And you can turn it on, you can turn it off. So that is what you have there. All right, so anything you do, make sure you save. Okay, then you have this part where it says email. All right, so if you want them to be receiving email, you must make sure you connect, you must make sure you set up your email. Can you see that now via the SMTP? The SMTP, you are seeing your email from this, the company name, the port. All right, this is the port. Then you create email. Okay, then this one, the email password, just like the same way I created, where is it? The same way I created email. This email I created at that time. So you put in the password of that email on this part. So once you do that, you come down here and save. All right, so that is what you have on this aspect. You can see that it's very, very easy for you to work with. It's very, very easy for you to edit. All right, so this is still the admin side. Then you come down again, come to this settings. You can see referral settings. All right, so you can see the percentage commission for the referral. All right, so you can see the payment settings. Now these are the different payments that is there, like I showed you before. So if you want to enable it, you can enable it. This is where you enable. All right, if you want to view it, let's say for instance, I want to disable this one, I can click on view. All right, so I click on view now, you can see enable. If I want to disable it, I can click on disable. All right, if I click on disable and I save changes, all right, then I click on go back. So you can see that this has been disabled. Now, another good thing about this particular script you have here is that you can have the night. You can see that you can have the night and the day kind of. All right, so you have that there. So you also come down here if you want to do the front end settings and other things you have there. Now, aside from having all of these things done, you can see this is the admin side. Now coming to the user side. Now this is the user side, like I showed you before. If you want to withdraw, you can see this thing there. You can see the profit record. You can see um, the transaction history. Right, so you can see where it says fund your account. You can see fund your account. You can see withdraw funds. If you want to fund your account now, you can click on fund. So you put the amount and select the payment method you want to fund your account with. It is, you can see that it's very, very easy for you to work with. All right, guys. So for that particular aspect now, if you want to also withdraw your funds, you can also withdraw your funds. It's very easy for you to work with. All right. So far, so good. I've showed you everything you need to know about this particular script and how it works. All right. So now, for you to get access to this particular script, and everything. Now that we have come to the end of this video, like I told you before, for those of you that have stayed to the end of this video, now for you to get access to this script and this template that I used in this video, all you need to do is to send me a message via my WhatsApp number in the description of this video. Once you send me a message, I'm going to give you access to this script that I used in this, and I tell you that you are going to enjoy everything about it. Like I told you before, my channel is loaded with lots of amazing things that you have. All right, so now that we have come to the end of this video, thank you guys for staying to the end of this video. All right, see you guys in my next video. Thank you. If you have questions, reach out to me via my WhatsApp number. See you in my next